Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Check it out. Air Jordan 6 DBs, man. Got him.
Got him. Got him.
All right, now that is what it's supposed to sound like when you do get a W. This might sound a little bit like that, but on the other hand, today, this is the message I got from the most coveted, the most loved sneakers app, man. Here you go right here. This is what you get when you take an L like your boy DeVintage. They send you an email, they send you this, and they send you a notification on the app. They just want to rub it in your face that you got a big L. You know what I'm saying? So here you go right here. This is how L looks. Put a Jordan face right here because that's what my face look like. I tried on me and I tried on my wife's phone, and I actually, like, if you could ask her right now, I threw her phone like out of my hand because I was like, all right, I took an L on this phone. Let me try her phone. So I pulled it up and it had the same message as this, and I was just like, bruh, I was like, fuck it. Fuck it, I'm done with Snickers app because I don't win on there. It's crazy, man. It's crazy how I don't win on there. I know a lot of people is getting tired of taking L's, bruh. No, like again, nobody that I know hit on them. None of the people on Instagram, I didn't see none. I seen like one I got them message. They probably made this shoe and like another limited release, and I don't blame Doernbecher for doing that because you don't want to oversaturate a shoe like that. The resale is still going for about $600-700. Checked, and I think that the DBs or OGs with that release are like dropped in price as well, so you might can find you a nice pair for around like $600-700. And if I was you, I would jump on it right now. Y'all not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and ring the notification bell for your boy, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World. Link will be in the description box below. If you made it to this point in the video, you're not mad that I clickbaited you, you know what I'm saying? But I had to do it because I want to know who all got the DB6s. I don't know anybody that got them, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not trying to pay that $600. Because y'all already know DBs, a lot of DBs hit you over the head with any shoe you want. And with this whole 15th anniversary thing, I feel like they're going to keep dropping all the DBs that have released besides the ones that released like the DB12s, the DB7s. And the year before that, I forget which one it was. But I don't think they will re-release those so early. Maybe the older ones like the DB2s, the ones, maybe we will see those again. Maybe that's what I'll title the video, talking about the DBs that we could see, man. Y'all know the ones, the twos, the threes, the fours, the fives, you know what I'm saying? If the fives drop again, I hope I get something. Let me get something out of the DBs, man. Let me get something. You got the fives, the sixes, the sevens, you got the eights. I'll put the pictures up here, spread throughout the video. Do you got DB9s? I don't think you have the DB9s. You got the DB10s, I know for sure, the red and black pair. We do not have the DB11s yet. We got the DB12s, which I do have. If y'all haven't checked out my DB like little collection, y'all check out the last video I did about how to cop the Air Jordan 6 DBs. And I think that's it. The 12s, and yeah, the 15s that just dropped. Just DB. I don't think it's DB13. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if y'all think they're gonna release more of these DBs since it's the 15th anniversary theme for the Doernbecher collection. Hopefully we do see them. And like a couple of shoes, like I said, the threes, because they're old shoe, the fours, old shoe, and the fives, I can see those releasing again because they dropped the DB6s and they dropped the DB phones, which is a shoe that a lot of people wanted out of the Doernbecher collection, man. I didn't want to make this video long. I just wanted to see who all copped the DB6s and who all took an L. You know what I'm saying? I like interacting with my subscribers. I like hearing everybody L stories and W stories because I just feel like it's dope, man. So y'all let me know in the comment section below. Not gonna make this video long, like I said. Me and the wifey will be dropping a sneaker guessing game on the channel either Sunday or Monday because I don't know where I want to throw in the how to lace Adidas 700s, and Adidas 700 salts might be coming to the collection very soon. I know a lot of people sleeping on that sneaker, but I feel like it's dope, man. The 700 model, it just fire. I had them on the other day, took some pictures with them, and they just like, you need some more in the collection. They need to come. You know what I'm saying? I hope they drop more dope colorways. You know, the Nurture colorway is dropping, like the green and the orange pair. Those are coming to the collection for sure. And like I said, the salts might be coming, man. So y'all stay tuned. Notification bell for your boy, man. Thank you for all love and support. We've been doing good with the likes, so y'all already know the goal for every video is 100 likes. So go ahead and smash that thing right now. Follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will be in the description box below. Check out all the old content. Check out all the old vlogs. I'm gonna get back into vlogging when I get back to States. Best believe that. And with all that being said, you guys, did you take a W or did you take an L day on the DB6s, man? Let me know.